from SRJ Animation here for a making of a video on a Republic Day special. So I started with a character. I had a plan for making a parade animation for Republic Day special, keeping like a week of a production time in my mind, and I have to keep it very simple and easy so I can finish it on time. I also have a second thing in my mind, like to make it look like a paper. Next thing, I need to rig this character before the animation. I am using Advanced Skeleton for rigging. It's available for non-commercial use and really handy for these kind of products. So this is a simple test and the rig was okay. The next thing I need to do is to animate. I have to create a walk parade for one character. All I need to do create a loop and then I have to put it for the infinity, like it goes forever. So there are two kind of walk I need to make. One for the handed man who will walk and one for the commander leader who walks in front of them with a sword. I don't really know what's the point of the sword, but it is what I have been watching. So once both is done, I can do the crowd animation. Here I did it using mesh, but it was really heavy. Took me a very long time to bake it. So after I done with that, I did like 50 character at once. Then I use it twice. Then the next thing was to start the movie with a book because it is all about Constitution of India. So I had a plan to show the book and next the parliament and the camera goes to the crowd. I mean the parade. So all things gone good. Little bit of problem here and there. Sometimes characters get smaller, sometimes it shows error, lots of error. But I got through it. Next thing I needed was like to make it beautiful. Since I had some time, I started working on the background because it was literally nothing. A little bit of here, a little bit of there. I downloaded some plants from net. Use mesh again for making a good BG. Almost done. Everything is done. Moving ahead, I also put a tank in background, and I had in mind to put clouds in the background, like the jet will fly over and in the cloud we can see the flag. So this is all the plan, almost done, like in the last stage, putting the plane there and the clouds. So at the end, finishing the camera, refining the camera, the timing, little bit of here, little bit of there. The last thing is left is to render it. Before putting it in, I have to make sure everything is okay, everything is right. It's almost the deadline, 24th at the night, 3 a.m. And what the hell? At 3 a.m. it got crashed. And look, after I'm trying to recover my file, where the hell they are going? They're supposed to walk on track. What the hell happened to my tank? It's flattened like a paper. Damn. At the 3:30 a.m. in the morning, I have to make things again better. I tried several backup files. Somehow I fixed it. It took me 1.5 years. It almost got like 5 a.m. in the morning, but I finally able to put it on render. Once I done, that was a lot of time. The render went for one whole day, and putting it all together with the music, I finally managed to put it on like by the end of 25th, and just before the day of releasing it. And if you like it, guys, like the video, comment, let me know in comment section if you like it. If you want more making videos, I'll work on it. I'll make more making videos, and don't forget to subscribe.